very, very quick. Okay, I'm going to get this done, but I want to show you something. That when you're playing baseball, normally is it the pitcher is the first position? You tell me what position he is, what area he stands in. He's 1, he's 5, and he's 9. 159 is the angle of the Aleph letter, and it's AE and I. 1, 5, and 9 is 15, equaling to O. 1, 5, and 9, 14, 15 plus 15 equals to the 30. 30 is creation, recreation to 36, 3 and 6. The third out, 2 innings. The first inning and the first inning, 6 outs. 2 teams in baseball. No balls, 81 pitches, 81 strikes, 9 per inning. 9 innings, 81 strikes. Venus, A and H equals R. R-A-H. R-A-H, use it in baseball. If we needed to score a run and we only had walks, we'd have 4 walks. The one that walked the first, the one that walked the second, the one that walked the third, and the other one walked home. 16 balls, bring me in the light and show me Venus. Mercury is in Neptune. Man is on the mound, sitting in Saturn, but he's all mixed up because all he's got is balls. He's sitting within Venus and Mars, but we're not sure if it's man or woman. But then we have to understand what the 1 and the 2 means. And then there's a whole lot more to this Grand Slam, which can also be a tennis racket, or after 4 pitches, this person, instead of walking, he Grand Slams him home. Doesn't matter. You get 4 runs, you get 1 run. 1 and 4, I just did it in my other video. 1 and 4. Here's the 1, here's the 4. Makes 5. 1, 2, 4, or 1 and 4? The question comes to light. 81 and 16, 97. 7 times 7, 9 times 9. 81, 9 times 9, 49 is eternal. 49 equals to 130. AC power becomes 1, 3, and 6. And let's go play some football on the baseball field. STNDRDTH. Put an A and an E in here for A and E, 1 to 5. And you got a standard death. STANDARDETH. Standard death. Why? Because the 4th letter is a D. Standard death. Take some walks. Now, if the home team does not play, okay, the home team pitches to 81 strikes. And the road team, well, they only get 72 of 81. Plus the 5 mound that the pitcher's mound this gets, that would be 72, 81 plus 5 is 72, 86. 153, A, E, and C. The ace, ACE. 81 and 81. Both teams play. If this happens in a baseball team, I can guarantee you that 99.99999% of the time, the road team will win. Because they are now forced to pitch to the home team in the 9th inning, getting them 81 strikes. But this is not going to happen because then it would be a tie game. But we're talking about perfection on both sides. We're not looking at winners and losers. 126, 216. This becomes 216 hours of 9 days, and 216 hours of 9 days is 432. The jailhouse rocks. Then there's 2 days of 24 hours each is 48. 4 and 8, April to August. 4 and 8, space. 4 by 8, 4 plus 8 equals space. The H, 4 plus 4, 4 times 4 equals 16. It becomes the PH and X, the flight of the Phoenix. This becomes 432 hours to an actual, what we think is a Mayan month, plus 48 is 240 hours in that month. This says ace. This is in the doghouse. 16 is the light. 62 is the queen. We wear the crown. 6 and 1, 6 and 2, 6 and 3 equals to your 9. The Grand Slam also comes up in tennis, and don't forget, it's all about tennis and all that, those lineage lines all the time. So we went through this, we calculated. Now when you do the 2 of them, because those are your 2 possibilities in an equal game, it equals to 315. 100, 200, 310, 315 from 153, and that's our alphabet. That's the numbers in our alphabet. I'll let Messer extend it, and when he does extend it, and this is the way I do some of the extensions sometimes, 3 times whatever number other than a particular, which there's a chance that multiplying 0 and 1, we're not going to do this, so we're going to multiply the other numbers, which is 2 to 9. Because 1 comes inside 3, becomes you, your 9 to your birth inside the heart of 5, 5 alive. So we have 315, 153, and you do your alphabet. So listen to this. The last thing I'm going to mention is there are 364 points, okay, inside the deck of cards. But the diamond suit, the 6, the 7, and the 8, 2, 2, and 2, each one of the suits reflect both worlds because the diamond card, probably I won't find one. I'll take out 52 cards and find no diamonds. And the one I find is right here. Although this is the 9th position, which is the 5th position, I'm playing this as 4 rows. I've went through 40 cards so far. Here. The center row is here. We count 1, 2, 3. This, 1, 2, 3, this and this come together. This, and if there's a number here, comes together. So the 8 of diamonds, okay, will count this row, this row, this row, and this row. And there'll be 3 in the center, 3 in the top, 3 in the center, and 3 in the bottom. The diamonds is why I'm saying that, okay? It's because here, you see the way they're upside down to these? In the diamond card, it's not like that. They're all the same way. Doesn't matter which way I put this diamond, they're all the same way, just the position. Raphael 7286. In French, Les Expos de Montréal. Very important because of Man in His World, and 1967 to the year 2000 is 33 years. The 14 that I talked about, the 14 of the cross, of the 14th position of the letter N in the E family, where N is 14, E is 5, that's 19. That is the 1 and 9 for the soul of man. Raphael 7286. In the constellation of Pegasus, this is the year. October, 2 more months, 4 years of Mr. Tackpans, 4 more months of all unplanned whatever I did. Thank you for watching.